Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set Priority Network Adapter Windows 10. To start, in the search box enter View, open View Network Connections. Now right-click on the network driver to select Properties. Here, select the line Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Confirm that all the options are automatic, then press the button Advanced. At this point, uncheck the box Automatic Metric. In the field Interface Metric, enter the value 10. Click on OK and you can close all the windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.